In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Affirm verify identity not working. So let's get started. If your Affirm identity verification is not working, there are several common reasons and fixes you can try. So first, you want to understand that identity verification is part of a security process called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. And KYC is required by financial institutions to confirm your identity and prevent fraud or money laundering. So if a firm cannot verify your identity, it may be due to incorrect personal information such as your legal name, your date of birth, or address not matching official records. So you want to make sure the details you enter exactly match what happens on your government issued ID. So first of all, you want to use all of your right names. You want to use your correct mobile numbers, your email address, and once you create the account, obviously once you created the account, they'll ask for further information. So they might ask you to help us identify you, upload your ID, smile for the camera, just to see whether all of this matches whatever you have submitted pre-hand. And another common issue is the problems with the SMS verification codes. And if you're not receiving the code, you want to check that your phone number is entered correctly when you went ahead and signed up. Make sure that you had entered a correct phone number and not a wrong one. And make sure your signal is strong and that you're not using a VoIP or a temporary number, since Affirm may block those. You can also try switching from the mobile app perhaps on your phone to maybe trying on desktop browser, or clearing maybe your browser cache, which removes stored website data that can sometimes interfere with login sessions. To go ahead and remove your cache or your browsing data, you want to go ahead to settings and you want to just search up cache or just browsing data in general, and just want to go ahead and delete that data and perhaps go ahead and try again after that. And if a firm asks for maybe more additional documentations like a photo, like here in this case, like a photo ID, ensure that the image is clear, not blurry, and that all corners of the documents are visible. Sometimes verifications fails automatically due to system checks, in which case waiting for 24 hours and trying again may also help. But if none of these steps resolve the issue, then contacting Affirm customer support is the best next step for you, as only they can review account specific restrictions or verification holes which you are experiencing, and so they may be able to help you on what you can improve and what you're missing. So anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.